Hello guys, this is me Avatar. Today I'm going to review one of my favorite LGBTQ series from Thailand. Yes, I'm going to talk about BL series from Thailand. BL is nothing but boys love series. I know my friends are going to kill me because my friend said, Avatar, you can review on anything, but not beer. You know, well, half of my subscribers are my friends, but I'm like, this is, I will only be recommending you like my five most favorite beer. I really would love to recommend my non-beer fan friends to at least give it a perspective, give it a thought, give it an understanding of how their lives is, how they're dealing with it. There are only top five. If I could leave five, I will actually recommend it to you. So do check it out. Good list it. Number five will be Bad Buddy. Yes, who doesn't love enemies to lovers talk? This is one of the enemies to lovers talk. This is a story of two boys who happen to be neighbors, but they hate each other. When even in the neighborhood, they hate each other and they compete for everything. And eventually, these two boys fall in love. And how these boys end up together and how their parents, how they make them accepted by their parents is one of the thread of the story. And it really good performances by the lead actors and absolutely wonderful screenplay. And it's fun. It also takes us to the world of parenting and how parenting should be, how one should not impose each other's dream on the coming generations to come. So the OST of the series is sung by the very lead actor, Naman Kharapat. I would love to recommend to listen to the songs from this very series as well. Do check it out. It's available on Vivo app. Number four would be Last Twilight. It's a story of a boy whose vision goes down gradually, and his mom hires him a caretaker for him. And the story follows how they help each other, how they find comfort each other, how they find, the language of them to communicate with each other once one helps. And this story, his OST is sung by a very sweetheart Lycan member, William. Do check it out, the OST of this series as well. It's beautiful. One of my top playlists. I really loved how the lead actor, Mr. Sita Vivan, actually played this role. He eventually got an award for Best Actor for this very role for the first time. And even the supporting actors were like too good. More than the couple dynamic, I actually loved the dynamic between the brothers. Older brother played by Mr. Mark Parkin. He's such an underrated actor, I would say. Really well performed, well played. I love it. Do check it out. It's available on YouTube in parts. Number three would be Not Me. I would say this series is one of the most controversial series ever produced. The series is also based on a true event happened in Thailand. It is having a complete package of like LGBTQ, crime, mafia, social, political drama. It's very controversial in terms of ideologies differing between the political and the certain parties, LGBTQ forms continues within it, how they're affected. Several topics are being discussed, in this particular series. And the lead actor, Mr. Gana Thaphan, wow, I would say wow. He was a terrific actor. He plays the role of twins actually. Black and White is the character name for the twins. The way he played the character, the both twins, the black and white. It was amazing. What an intricate way of playing the twins, and he absolutely nailed it. I would really, really recommend you guys to check it out if you're a fan of thriller, crime, social political drama like that. I would love to recommend you check it out. It's available on YouTube in parts. And also, the background music of this particular series, hands down, one of my favorite background music ever. Do check it out. It's available on YouTube. At number 2 will be Moonlight Chicken. It's also one of my favorite. It's an 8 episode series available on YouTube. This particular series is also very contradictory in terms of its storyline, because it conveys the human complex relationships, whether be it LGBTQ, be it straight, be it parent child relationship. There's so many lot of conflicting complex human relationships are being shared in this particular series. What a brilliantly performed, what a brilliant screenplay, what a brilliant storyline. I would like to say it's a very brave, it's actually a very brave attempt of doing a concept like that. A concept like that to bring out such a raw nature of human in terms of relationships are concerned. Do check it out, Moonlight Chicken. It would really, really would love to. It is available on YouTube in parts. Last but not the least, number 1, hands down, one of my most favorite BL series I have watched is I Told Something About You. It's a Thai BL drama. It's a coming of age story. It's a story of teenagers. How they fall in love, a brilliant cinematography, a brilliant screenplay. Each and every frame of that particular series was an art. Was an art. The lead actors, Mr. Beatty, Mr. Birkin, both of them slayed the character. It was really, even the supporting actors were like, I was literally rooting even for the supporting actors. They were too good. I always wondered how the director actually briefed them. There are so many of the pauses here and there, and I really always wondered how director actually briefed them for those pauses, for those silent moments. There's so much. This is the one of the series which have least dialogue delivery and more of an action mode. More of a speaking through eyes, speaking through body language. It's one of the most intriguing series I've watched. Would love to recommend it to you. It's a 5 episode series. It's a mini series. It's available on Viki app. There are some special mentions as well. Never Let Me Go, Tempo, Only Friends, Kim Porsche. These are some of the examples I would love to. But the top 5, do check it out. Comment down below.